Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of ChatGPT. We click on settings. In this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. You will search about ChatGPT app. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. You will enter to storage. You will click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about ChatGPT. You will uninstall your app and you will uninstall it again to fix that problem. So that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.